has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Austin County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Washington County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Montgomery to 7 miles north of Hempstead to 7 miles east of Brenham, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Conroe, Tomball, Hempstead, Prairie View, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Walder, Magnolia, Pine Island, Montgomery, Stagecoach, Todd Mission, Lake Conroe Dam, Dobbin, and Plantersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.